Today we're going to be doing an unboxing on the Welder. I just picked up the Chicago Electric Flux 125 wire fed.
What's up, YouTube? Hey, what's up, YouTube? Barber Life here.
Just picked up this brand new Chicago Electric Flux 125 welder from Harbor Freight special. Used one of their online discounts and got it for $99.99. We're going to do a little unboxing. Too long. Little piece of paper shows you different welds. Good weld, current too low, different height, temperatures, and wire speeds. Pretty awesome to have there. Definition handle. Can't find nobody. Everybody's too busy or charges $100 an hour for welding, so I bought my own fucking welder. We're gonna learn one way or the other. Showing you that right now. I want to say I broke the handle first try. It's my fault, probably had it in there wrong though. Boom. Flux cool, 125 amp. $100, Harbor Freight, it's the shit. 6-foot ground cable. Your 6-foot line right here. Over here. I got some screws to get that off. I'll show you where that wire goes in a second. Also, you're gonna need one of these if you invest and you get this deal. You're gonna need one. It comes with a little self-holding protective lens. I guess you hold this over your eyes. I don't want to use that. I bought this. They got a deal where if you sign up, it's $34.99, but they're a lying piece of shit. You gotta pay $30 and $40 for a year membership, so it was $44.99. But this is adjustable shade auto darkening helmet, so you don't have to mess with it. Flips up and down. Just Chicago Electric. Thank you. Check that out inside. That knob. This is like Vader's mask. Awesome.